Hi, welcome to Globus Corporation System Upgrade Demonstration. I'm Service and I'm demonstrating the upgrade of Griffith site. In this demonstration, uh, I'm in this demonstration for the Griffith site. I'm presenting two servers. For the first one is we have to install ADDS, DNS, DSCP, file and firewalls. And for the second server, the solution was to add disaster recovery and backup solution. So what we have done is I'm presenting the server one. So this one is the Windows server where Windows server which is connected remotely with my main server that I have created in AWS. So this is the server manager, and here this I have installed all the rules and features for this server: ADDNS, DSCP, DNS, file storage and services, and all of them running with no problem at all. Also, I have created new user account in this for the DNS. So this one is a new user I have created here in this account, and for the second server we choose to do it from Amazon Web Services. The main reason for this was for the disaster recovery and backup. The solutions should be quick, and AWS provides that solution for that. Since AWS has many regions from where we can choose it, and for the nearest one for our site was the Asia Pacific Sydney region, I have chose that. And also we have created VPC, Griffith VPC with the IPv4 CIDR 192.168.0.0/16, and I've created two main subnets, one private, one public, and two more subnets which can be useful in disaster recovery phase. So, and these are the route tables. This is the main route table or the primary route table, and these are the destination. So this one is the Wagga Wagga site destination address. Also, we have created the internet gateways, network ACLs, security groups. So this security groups, it will act as a firewall. So if any traffic other than we mentioned here tries to come into the account, it will not let it pass, and thus it can't open. So these are all the inbound rules we have created, and these are the outbound rules. For the inbound rules in front VPN front end, so this rule will be useful for the VPN tunneling. Whatever traffic comes from that tunnel have to pass from this rule. If not, the traffic won't pass. Also, this is the backend rule for our secondary server, that for Windows server. And it's loading. And that's the VPN connections. The VPN tunnel we have made for the connection. Coming forward, so instances. So this one is for OpenSWAN to connect between two sites VPN through tunneling. So I have created the from the Linux one, and it's running. And this one is for Windows server. So, and I have created some backup instances as well for the disaster recovery, and this one is the backup server as well. So I have pre-installed it. And we will run it. If one of the server fails, I can reopen this data center server as well and run it. So it will help to uh, yeah, that will help in disaster recovery. So for the disaster recovery with the AWS, it allows us to take the instances which we can use it in during the disaster recovery phase. Also, uh, with the AWS instances EC2 compute, we can create the elastic IPs which we can assign, which I have assigned for these servers. And the coming forward, this is the S3 management console for the backup solution. I have used this one for the overall backup of the site, all the datas from the Griffith site, Albury, Wagga Wagga, Orange. It will come up with the in the S3. Imagine S3 where it is installed and we can use it. And also the Imagine Redshift. This is the Imagine Redshift where we have created the Globex database instances, and this from this one we can manage the database, and all the data from the S3 is associated in this one as well. And for connection between, we have used the OpenSwan, this OpenSwan through the Linux OpenSwan server we have created, and we have created a tunnel for them. So these are the codes we generated to connect with the yeah, these are the codes we have created to connect with other tunnel. So this one is my ID and left ID, left subnet, and this one is for the Wagga Wagga site. So that's all for the first demonstration of the